Welcome to the presentation of the new Save functions in Movie Suite version 2.21. With Movie Suite version 2.21, functions are introduced that make working with Movie Suite projects easier. These functions are Save projects in any directory and Restore an unsaved project. From Movie Suite version 2.21, projects can be saved in any directory. A fixed central storage location is no longer specified by the Movie Suite, which means users can now store their projects in a flexible manner. The operating principle is illustrated in the following using an example project. The project includes changes that have not been saved. This is indicated in Movie Suite by an orange dot on the disk icon. You can save the project by clicking on the disk icon. If the project has not been saved before, the Save As dialog opens. Specify a name and storage location for your project in this dialog. The saved Movie Suite project is now available in the form of a single file in the new MS-PROJ project format. Once a project has been saved for the first time, subsequent changes can be saved directly by clicking on the disk icon. If you want to save the project under another name or change the storage location, you can call the Save As function again at any time from the main menu of Movie Suite. From Movie Suite version 2.21, Movie Suite projects can be opened by double-clicking the project file in the Windows Explorer. This function is supported for the new project format MS-PROJ as well as for the previous export format MS-PRO. Projects can also be opened from the main menu of Movie Suite. To do so, click on the Open entry on the Projects page and select the desired project. In order to get started quickly, the most recently open Movie Suite projects are listed on the Start page. If you want Movie Suite to always start with the last open project, you can specify this here. Beginning with Movie Suite version 2.21, projects are saved in the new MS-PROJ file format. The new format replaces the previous project format SDF as well as the export format MS-PRO. Movie Suite projects in the SDF and MS-PRO formats can still be opened and viewed. However, the new MS-PROJ format is used when saving a project. For illustration purposes, a project in SDF format is opened via the main menu of Movie Suite. After selecting the SDF file, Movie Suite will load the project. When opening the project, it is automatically converted into the new project format MS-PROJ. This means that the original project file is not modified. You can now work with projects as usual and make changes. To save the changes, click on the disk icon. When saving a project with old file format, the Save As dialog opens. Note that the project is now saved in the new MS-PROJ project format. The project can then no longer be opened with a Movie Suite version lower than 2.21. After having saved the project in the new format, the original project file is also retained and can be archived or deleted as needed. In the advanced permission level, a Movie Suite project can be saved in the old MS-PRO export format. This file format is supported by Movie Suite versions lower than 2.21. Note that devices and MovieKit modules used in the project might not be available in previous versions. To save a project in the old MS-PRO format, first check the permission level in the main menu of Movie Suite. To activate the advanced permission level, enter the password 1108 and apply the setting. To set the permission level back to standard later, enter an arbitrary character string as the password. Now select the file format MSPRO in the Save As dialog and click on Save. The project is now stored in the old MSPRO export format and can be opened in lower Movie Suite versions using the import project function. If Movie Suite is unexpectedly terminated by a system crash, it is important that no project data is lost. Starting from version 2.21, Movie Suite therefore checks at startup if there's an unsaved project and offers you the possibility to restore the data. After Movie Suite has restored the data, you can save the project again under any name and in any directory and continue working. Thank you very much for your interest in the Movie Suite engineering software.